बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम कैसे हैं आप सब I hope you all are fine we are fine too alhamdulillah and I request you all do with me at the end of the video learn how to cook chicken karahi I hope you all doing amazing job but in this video you learn how I cook my chicken karahi with Makhandi Halwa. So let's start the video. I include onion in the karahi or a pan, non-stick pan or any kind of pan you can take it. So I saute all the onion. After saute the onions I add chicken. So you can must know you properly clear all the chicken before adding your recipes. And other than that I give you a tip of it. If you can fry the chicken or made a fried chicken as a restaurant style, you can wash it and dig it out in water with vinegar, so it give you a very delicious taste before frying. Yeah, now the chicken and onions are sauté and the redness of the chickens are out. Now add vinegar in it. Another is we add some salt for taste, all up to you. Add in ginger and garlic powder. It's all up to you. If you want to crush it freshly and pour it into your dish. So now the turmeric powder, a haldi powder. Turmeric powder gives appealing color to your dish or your recipe, and it appeals you towards them. And now red chili powder, add in it. Adds according to your taste. Tomatoes and green chilies adds according to your taste. So again I will include in it all spices are included, add up to you on your taste. And now add some water in it for galane ke liye. So I mix it well, all the ingredients in it. So all the and one thing I must tell you about the recipes is done when the oil is on the upper layer of the dish or your karahi or anything you have to cooked in your kitchen. So have a look of final chicken karahi with some green chilies and coriander in front of you. I hope you like my first recipe of chicken karahi and you must try it at home and let me know. And follow me on Instagram with fawadmul09 and do response me and follow me there for amazing responses. Now moving on, the next recipe of Makhandi Halwa. As all you know, we make this halwa and any type of halwa in our occasions. Now let's moving toward the recipe. We have to take a pan of in which what you want to cook your halwa. So we add some ghee in it and sugar and all them, mix it well together with cardamom as well in it. It can give you an amazing flavor in your halwa. I don't know what we call it in English, so we call it in our language like halwa. Now the moving towards the main ingredient of this halwa, semolina. It's a suji and a coconut of dry coconut, and we slice it, add in it in our halwa. We mix it well. You have to mix it all together and it can give you at the end a sticky shape. I give you an example with a china clay, but it's not a china clay, but it can give you that much sticky form, and it's really delicious and really tasteful. You must try at home and do let me know in comment section. As you all can see, all the ingredients are merged together properly. All the stickiness comes out in that way, and you can see it's not like that sticky, but it's really delicious and really yummy. Now at the time I voice over this video, I am so pleased to tell you that my mouth is so watering. Halwa is ready to dish out. Have a final look of that halwa with garnishing or presenting with some almond and some copra or coconut head in it. I hope you like my video. Like, share, subscribe, and do comment back with the new video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.